beautiful people. Welcome to Today's Tech, where we do tech in your life in style. As part of the Fuji gang, today's video is pretty exciting. X Summit in Sydney just went down and they just released the Fujifilm XT50 and an accompanying 60 to 50mm lens. And what do we have here? In this video, we're gonna take our first look at this camera. We're gonna check out what's new, and also, of course, we're gonna take it out shooting. What's new with the new Fujifilm XT50? Well, first of all, it is shooting my video right now. I'm shooting at 4K 30 FPS, but speaking of video, this new camera now can record video at 6.2K. It's powered by an X Processor 5 and a 40.2 megapixel sensor, the same stuff you'll find on the Fujifilm XT5. But the headline, for me at least, would be that new Fujifilm film simulation dial, and this is a new thing introduced on the XT50. Another thing I'm really excited about with this camera, in-body image stabilization, which was pretty much what I wanted owning and shooting with the XT30. Right, let's take a closer look at this new camera and new lens. Here's that closer look at the XT50. XT50 branding here, the famed and very new Fuji film simulation dials. And so how it works really, let's turn this on really quickly, is that you can easily switch between the different film simulations, and this does have the new Real A simulation. And there is also a custom spot on here, so you can put in what film simulation you'd like. Now you still get that pop-up flash. On the back, everything looks very familiar. You also get the same tilting screen. And no, for the vloggers, this is the only way the screen will tilt. Up top, of course, you get the Fuji dials. Now, I did notice that a few of the buttons were a little like rounder. Very minor difference, but if you hold this camera, you'll be able to feel the difference between these two buttons here, with the playback button being a little bit more pronounced than you'd usually see on these Fuji cameras. But again, more or less, it does give you the same XT line look and feel. What's pretty cool, specifically for those who want to shoot with a mic, this is a 3.5mm audio jack, which means you don't need an adapter to plug in usual mics. You also get a dongle that you can plug in here to listen in on your audio. Another tiny thing I noticed, they sort of moved that tripod screw a little bit versus the XT30s. All this means is if you have a smaller plate like this, you'll be able to access your battery and SD card without needing to unscrew your plate. Now, like I said earlier, this camera can shoot in 6.2K. You also get IBIS. And I'm also seeing that you have that Frame IO camera to cloud feature straight on this camera. Now we have, of course, the new lens on here, and this lens allows you to go this wide or this tight. And this is the mug that we're shooting. Right, let's see some sample shots with this camera. Right, testing out this camera. We are shooting with this camera so you can see what's going on right now. And now let's turn on the XT50. This is video being shot by the XT50 and we're shooting with a 16 to 50 millimeter lens. This is also 4K footage right now, handheld, and there is IBIS on this new camera. The widest we can go on this lens, and we can zoom in. Hi. And yeah, this is what this test video looks like. And of course, switching out film simulations is so easy with the new dial, as you can see here. But you guys know me, I shoot my videos on Velvia, so we're gonna stick to this. Switch to photos this time. Face detection, eye detection. There is also, wait, let me show you real quick, a subject detection setting. So you can detect pets, animals, birds, autos, motorcycles, bikes, airplanes, trains. We're gonna try this out later with the dogs, but for now, let's take some sample shots with the mirror. And by the way, you get the same touchscreen. We're gonna need some animals. Excuse me, I need an animal. Animal. Say hi. Say hi! Not sure if you can see, but it does focus on her face. Okay. Find your light. Puffy! This is more handheld video. Puppy! Wait, we need another dog. Puchi! We need to make you guys famous. And though I did get some shots, obviously this wasn't the most productive way to get samples. I obviously was having way too much fun with the dogs. Nevertheless, here are some samples from the XT50 from a feature we're working on Lit. I'll link everything in the description box below. And that was our first look at the new Fujifilm XT50. Let me know what you think. Comment down in the comment section below. Also, if you want more photo and video samples with this camera, we will still be shooting with this, so stay tuned on our socials. I'll link them down below. If you want to see how I use my tech on a daily basis, find me online. That's LAZADA _ on Instagram, Twitter, and TikTok. Until next time.